only a total of 16 in the first 2 games. Probably that is something that Jordan wishes to pounce on. Get some key personnel of the Philippine squad in personal foul trouble and get to the line as many times as they can.
Mintis yung unang free throw and the crowd already into this. Aba, wala pang isang minuto lumilipas as we see a split coming from Hadrab.
17 points yesterday in 28 minutes of action. Shot well from the field. Close to 70%.
Gilas Pilipinas, hinahanap ang kanilang unang basket. Casio may tanga ng bola. Bibigyan ng pick ni Dowsit. Pupunta sa kanan. Nakita sa kanto. Ontiveros for 3. Bang!
The master ng catch and shoot situation, JV Casio, facilitating that play, reading well that ball screen defense ng koponan ng Jordan.
So the birthday boy, unang nakabutas para dito sa Team Pilipinas. Douglas to Abbas. Hinahanap na naman nila. Etong si Osama Douglas. Ganda ng cover ni Dondon. They force a turnover. Marshall Lassiter trailed by Dowsit. Kaso medyo malamya yung pasa. Casio for 3. No. Lassiter picks up that rebound.
Nakita mo ang importansya ng rebounding. Rebounding will give you extra possessions. 2 teams which are excellent in rebounds, and Dowsit misses his second field goal.
And Marshall Lassiter once again keeping this possession alive para sa mga nakaasul ng Team Pilipinas.
Third serving here para dito sa Team Pilipinas.
Lassiter pull up. Oh, binagsak pa yung pasa. Nahuli lang ni Watkins from behind, but there is a foul.
Yung kanina hinighlight natin yung number of assists ng Pilipinas in the first 3 games. There were 24 against 15 in the first game, 20-12 in the second game against the squad of Malaysia. And here, JV Casio with that nice find to Dondon Ontiveros, and this time around, itong si Lassiter giving an extra pass dito kay Dowsit. Extra passes will lead to a higher percentage from the field. Extra passes will push harder against the defense to rotate more and challenge at close out doon sa mga attackers at shooters ng Team Pilipinas.
At etong si Lassiter, nakitaan ng baller band. Kanina, before jump ball, si Dondon Ontiveros, pinaghubad na rin ang ating referee niyan. Bawal yan dahil pagka nga naman may sumabit na mga kamay habang sumusundot sa'yo, disgrasya yan.
May aksidenteng pwedeng mangyari.
Dowsit, second free throw. This one likewise out. Zaid Abbas, guguluhin in the backcourt. Ngayon palang nakatanggap si Douglas.
Mas makikita mo rito full denial ng basketball.
Abbas working his way to the hole. Nakagawa ng basket. Sabit pa si Aguilar.
Makita mo si Douglas talaga ang glue sa opensa rito ng Jordan. And in the last few possessions ng Jordan, hindi nakakahawak ng bola si Douglas. But these are experienced players. Talking about itong mga manlalaro ng Jordan and Zaid Abbas, binasa yung sitwasyon. Inatake yung depensa. Dowsit was not present there. And Jordan, once again, attacking the basket, not setting for shots from the outside.
Abbas, kinumpleto yung 3-point play. Lamang na ng tatlong Jordan, 6-3. Casio may tanga ng bola. Over to Ontiveros. Pilipinas can't get into their set. Sobra yung alley-oop pass. JV Casio, automatic nag-apologize kay Coach Raiko Torman.
Pag sinabi mo magandang execution, kailangan mataas ang iyong pasensya. If that is an open pass, if not, that could be a turnover. Minsan pipigilin mo yung sarili mo. You will go to the next option dahil itong opensa talaga ng Smart Gilas. Napakaraming options. Rear screens, up screens, and several ball screens in one single sequence.
Ang hirap lang hanapan din ng butas pag ganyang kalalaki yung mga kalaban.
Saka masipag dumipensa. Alam mo yung scouting dito sa ganitong level, napaka-importante. At they are very familiar with each other already, having played each other several times in the last few years. Remember, itong Smart Gilas, mahigit 2 taon nang magkakasama. At ngayon, sa taong ito, preparing themselves to qualify, hopefully, doon sa isang tournament ng FIBA na siyang magbubukas ng pinto para sa 2012 London Olympics. Mataas ang pangarap ultimately ng koponan ng Smart Gilas.
Foul whistle doon, Marcus Dowsit. Kanina, baseline inbound para dito sa mga nakaputi ng Jordan. Punta sila kay Watkins. Watkins off the dribble, wanting to flush it. Lassiter may tanga ng bola. Ang bilis ng depensa netong Jordan. Dowsit gusto bumawi pero yung pasa naantala ni Hadrab.
May malinaw dito. Malalaki nga yung mga players ng Jordan, but they are willing to extend their defense outside the 3. Understanding that the Philippines execute well its offensive set in the half court. Kaya ito, tinatry nilang mapigilan yung mga atake ng Pilipinas sa kanilang half court looks.
Abbas looking for Watkins at the post. Jamil, masyado mababa yung pasa.
And more often than not, you want to remind your players that if you're passing to a 7-footer, gusto mo na lang idiretso sa dibdib niya.
Casio looking for Japet. Abbas yung bantay niya. Casio pops out left side. Ontiveros. Siya pa lang ang nakakabutas para sa Team Pilipinas. As the shot clock is starting to wind down. 3 segundo na lamang. Ontiveros! What a runner of a jumper!
At lahat ng puntos ng Team Pilipinas galing kay Dondon Ontiveros, isang veteranong manlalaro sa international games, has represented the country 2 beses na sa kanyang mahabang career sa PBA. At ngayon, sila ni Asi Taulaba ay tinawagan muling magsilbi para sa Pilipinas. Here coming out, firing 5 quick points here sa first quarter.
Baseline jumper para sa Jordan. No go. Lassiter clears the board. Pero natapak sa baseline.
Importante rito, blocking out. Importante rito, mas marami ang possessions mo. The Philippine team must now try to protect the interior dahil itong 6 points na nanggaling dito sa kupunan ng ASU have come dito sa interior.
Abbas with a fresh shot clock. Pupukol nila bola papunta kay Douglas. Douglas all alone for the 3. No go. Aguilar for the rebound. Casio ngayon tumatakbo. Nagmamadali ang ating Blue Boys. 3-pointer. Dondon in and out. Abbas clears the board. Douglas sa kabilang dulo. Trying to zigzag his way to the hole. Put back is good for Jamil Watkins.
Nobody applying the ball stop dito kay Douglas, who went all the way finding the driving lane. At na-attract na yung last line of defense. Freed up itong si Jamil Watkins para dito sa 3-point lead ng kupunan ng Jordan.
8-5 is the score. Aba, halos mangangalahati na tayo dito sa ating opening quarter. Casio gustong tulungan si Ontiveros. This time around, pasok yung press niya.
Mahalaga na uminin tayo si outside. Casio only 3 of 11 yesterday. Casio was only good for 7 points in yesterday's game. Pero merong mga sitwasyon na itong si JV Casio pag uminit, kayang mag-20 mahigit, kayang mag-30. And ngayon, inaasahan natin na magandang kanyang contribution from the outside.
Abbas with the leather. They go to the left side. Bagsak ng pasa kay Douglas. Inatake si Ontiveros. Up and under. Pasa pala kay Watkins yun. Lalabas sa baseline. Last touch si Watkins.
Douglas hindi makahawak ng bola sa labas. Hindi makapagtimon. Forced to post up. And he will issue another bounce pass dito sa 7-footer teammate na si Watkins. Another turnover.
Casio to the right side. Slide si Aguilar. Pasa. Natapik papunta kay Lassiter. Casio once again will try and reset over. Papunta kay Douthit. One-on-one against Watkins. Douthit pull-up jumper. No. Lassiter with a hand on it.
Posibleng mangyari dito mag-cancel out itong si Jamil Watkins at si Marcus Douthit. Now, yan ang challenge dito sa ating dalawang koponan. Ang ibang key players, paano sila makakapagpakita, paano magagandahan ang kanilang mga laro pag ang kanilang mga slotmen ay makontain.
3-pointer on the way. Alawadi will miss. Douthit ang dumukot ng rebound.
Sinungkit na ere.
Casio ngayon will try and set up this attack. JV, pick and roll with Douthit. No go. Ball with Hadrab. Nakita. Ay, into sky play. And the tomahawk jam off the alley-oop from Zaid Abbas.
Douglas had 19, 11, and 9 assists yesterday. In transition, he will make the good decisions. Nice extra pass. 2-point lead para dito sa Jordan.
Step to the left. Long 2. No good para kay Lassiter. 10-8. Jordan by 2. Douglas with Ontiveros on him. Hinahanap na naman nila si Watkins. Douthit fronting against Watkins, and he takes that leather away. It's a 4-on-3 break the other way. Lassiter stop and pop from the elbow. Bitin yung naging tira niya. At na-double black eye pa siya dahil siya natawagan ng foul.
Zio Lassiter only had 4 points yesterday. Sila ni JV Casio nag-struggle mula sa labas. Importante rito, if the Philippines continues to not shoot well from the outside, protektahan nila yung transition attack dito ng koponan ng Jordan. Ito yung sinasabi natin, dalawang koponan na mahusay dumipensa mahusay dumepensa sa transition, mahusay dumepensa sa half-court sets. Kaya ngayon, 10-8 pa lamang ang ating talaan. 3 minutes and 20 left here in the first.
Sinalubong ng sermon ni Coach Raiko Toroman itong si Marshall Lassiter after that pull-up jumper. Meron namang nadukot na 4 na rebound. Ito si Lassiter in his first stint as Watkins is blocked by Japet. Ball is loose. Tacarino. Karambola na. Napulot na ni Lutz. Lutz Tucasio. Down the gut of the defense. His pass thwarted. Hadrob over to Douglas. Now na si Abbas. Over to Hadrob for the easy layup.
And once again, Douglas making that play happen. Pero makita mo nang galing sa isang defensive stop. Yung puntos na yon, 4-0 run here coming from Jordan.
12-8 ang nasa ating talaan. Etong Jordan, abante ng Abat. Pull-up jumper, JV. Could not deliver. Hadrob for the rebound.
After Don Ontiveros, wala nang kumukonektang consistently rito para sa mga
Uh-oh! Watkins!
Oh.
Sinalubong neto ni Japet Aguilar asking for the ward-off, but that's a personal foul kontra kay Aguilar.
He's a quick sprinter to rush down court and contest that early leak out ni Jamil Watkins na kahit 7-footer has shown us the ability to execute a lot of good foot speed. Ito, magandang tapal ni Japet Aguilar kanina. But once again, Sam Douglas finding the right man at the right place. 4 ang kalamangan dito ng Jordan.